Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying power and a quality cable. Low battery or a frayed lead creates intermittent connect/disconnect behavior. Next, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so the device reports status and logs properly. This helps us see whether it's a software negotiation problem versus hardware. Plug into a known good port and watch notifications. If the phone only charges and won't mount, make sure the USB mode is set to file transfer. If not, change it and observe the result. Once you've confirmed settings, inspect the USB-C port for lint, corrosion, or bent pins. A gentle blow of compressed air and careful cleaning can restore contact. Then test the connection via ADB, run ADB devices, and monitor for fluctuations. Persistent disappearance indicates hardware. If ADB is stable, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps interfering with USB policies. Finally, reset network or USB preferences in system settings to clear misconfigurations before assuming a physical. If software steps fail, swap the cable and adapter first because they're the cheapest fix. Next, replace the charging/USB port assembly. Many phones allow a modular swap. And test again. This often cures intermittent connect/disconnect faults. Only pursue solder reflow or connector micromechanical repair if you have soldering skill and ESD precautions. Otherwise, back up your data and take the device to a certified repair shop for board-level diagnostics. If problems persist after a port swap, mention the ADB log to the technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.